Who's that? Who's over there? What is that?
What is it?
What is it?
What's inside? Who left it?
Who left it here, honey? How come it's there? Does that come from Easter Bunny?
Oh, there's the bunny. I think the bunny's got a message for you. Maybe Daddy can
Easter
help
Bunny.
you.
Here, look what's inside. Got a blue egg. You know what these are? They're little eggs. They're mini eggs.
Yeah.
Can I eat one? I'm gonna eat one too.
Chew them.
Chew it.
What a
And
bunny?
Look what the bunny says. Bunny's got a little chick too.
It's okay. She doesn't like it.
Little chick. Hey, look. The bunny says something. It says, look under your bed.
Go look under your bed.
I think it might be a clue. There might be something under your bed. Can you go look under your bed? Oh, look, it's Mrs. Potts. I think there might be something else under the bed. Chew what you have in your mouth. Chew it. Isn't it crunchy? Is there anything else under your bed?
Under? You have to
Yeah,
look. Put your head under.
What's under your bed? Oh, that's on top of your bed. What's under your bed? Where's under your bed, honey? A mice? No, I'm pretty sure the Easter Bunny didn't bring you a mice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Check under your bed, honey. Look under your bed. Look under your bed. This is over your bed. And this is under your bed. Have a look, see if there's anything there. What's that stuff? What's that?
Horse.
What is it?
Horse.
Horse?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh.
Are you sure it's a horse? Look at him.
Open.
No, let's
No.
just wait. No. Is there anything else there? What else was under there, honey? What's that?
Wow,
What is
Sadie, let's have a look. Did the Easter Bunny leave you another one? You lucky girl.
You can open it. Pull. Pull both sides apart. Want me to help? Is there anything else under your bed? No? Okay. More eggs. You have tons of eggs. Man, it used to be a little more difficult when I was a kid. Only one at a time. You can get 20 eggs in one egg. Okay. Chew it.
Sadie, is there anything else under the bed?
Okay, put this one back in here. We'll save them together.
What are you screaming at? We should put everything in the basket, shouldn't we? Oh, Daddy's got the drift.
So you collected your eggs, put them in an Easter basket. Put that one in here too.
Wasn't there something underneath here, Sadie?
Put these in the Easter basket now. Yeah, put that egg and put the little bunny in the Easter basket.
Did the bunny leave you a message?
See if there's anything else under the bed, honey.
Go on, look. Look. Do you see anything? I
No,
see something.
There's
Daddy, I
something
see
there.
something.
There's something there. You won't be able to find any more if you don't read the note. You don't grab the note, honey.
Uh-oh.
Sadie, let's leave these all in here for now, okay? Mommy's stealing eggs.
It was on the floor.
Sadie, go see what that note says.
Really?
Yeah.
He's found her voice.
Excellent. That's it.
Oh. Lift her up.
No way. Break my eardrums.
What does it say? What does it say, Sadie?
Do you want me to read it? It says, look by the toothbrush. Where's your toothbrush? Where's your toothbrush? Should we go look?
Let's see.
Take your basket.
Take your basket. Come on, we go and see. I'll follow you. Is it heavy? Good job. Where are your toothbrushes?
Brushes.
Oh, is anything there?
Brush.
Can you see something?
Brush.
The
Anything
brushes
else?
are there. Can you see anything?
A brush. Yeah.
No. Did you put something with paper in? Your mouth? What did you do?
No.
Did you just put...
No. I'll do.
She put with... Sadie, what's up there? I think the Easter Bunny's been. I think it's been cleaning its teeth with your toothbrush. Do you see?
Sadie, now look up here. There might be more.
There's more.
There's another note.
Bunny's left you another note.
You want to come see?
It's open.
Look, Sadie.
Wait.
Look up here. Hey.
Wait, she's gonna fall.
Do you want to grab these ones too? What color is this one?
Pink.
Yeah.
Wow.
You got another bunny too.
You gonna put it in your basket?
Whoa.
Oh.
Put them in the basket.
Don't eat them. Put them in the basket.
Sadie, don't eat them all right now. We have to have some breakfast too.
Did the bunny leave you a note for the next one? Another clue? What did the bunny say, Lily? Oh,
Cuckoo.
mate, she's just playing there. Let's see what